Look at this corrosion. Yeah, it's eaten through. Radiator's cracked, suspension's bent. Got it. I'll get the hood. All right, grill first. On 3. Ready? Got it. Now for the carb. Careful with the gasket. Yeah, let's get it out. Dashboard next. Pulling the trim now. Steady now. Keep it level. Good. Now the intake pipe. Bringing it over now. All right, looking solid. Wrench. Here you go. All right, next the intake. Lights repaired. Watch them glow. There we go. Perfect. All right, battery secure. Give it a crank. Connections are good. Turning the key. She's purring now. A beauty. On it. Sealing the gasket now. Here's the driver. Watch the drips. Looks good.